Hi guys, I'm gonna cook some breakfast. I'm gonna do masala oats because that is the easiest one to prepare and it's tasty as well. So yeah, let's get to it. Hi guys, I'm done with my workout. The workout video, I guess it's already up on my channel. If you guys want to check my workout video, it's a whole full week workout. And now I'm gonna cook some curry. My mom had prepared sambar and rice. And yeah, let's get started with cooking. I have already cooked dal, bottle gourd and salt, and this is a mixture of grounded peanuts, salt and chili powder. Take a teaspoon of mustard seeds and add it into the oil, and this is a mixture of onion, garlic and curry leaves, and also add this to the oil and stir this for a while until it turns golden brown. Now I'm gonna add this cooked bottle gourd into the pan, and I'm gonna stir slowly so that it doesn't smash. Now I'm gonna add this peanut powder into the pan, and I'm gonna add more than 4 spoons because I love this. It's gonna taste yum, and you should also try this mixture. And voila, it's over. This is the easiest recipe you can cook in just few minutes. And here I am having with rice and sambar that my mom made, and yeah, that's it for the lunch. It's around 7 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna get some green tea. I've been working on editing my videos and brainstorming some ideas for my videos. Yeah, let's go get some green tea. For dinner I'm making soup. Just add few drops of oil into the pan, and I'm adding garlic into it. I love garlic. And just add two onions into it and stir fry it for few minutes. Now I'm gonna add half a tomato into it and just few minutes stir fry it. And now I'm adding cooked carrots and sprouts into it. And now I'm adding tablespoon of salt, chili flakes, black pepper, I'm adding cumin powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Add 2 to 3 spoons of corn flour into it. And mix it well so it doesn't form a lump. Now I'm adding vegetable stock into it. And cook for few minutes and you're done. And my mom had prepared potato curry, and I'm enjoying this delicious yummy soup and this curry. And my food differs every day obviously, and I do have a lot of cheat days as well, so I'm not strict in my diet. I just eat whatever is cooked at home, that is almost healthy. And yeah, I hope you like this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.